Can you imagine? Just by tapping the outdoor unit of the air conditioner a few times with your hand, a large quantity of dust gushes out, looking like a sandstorm. When the outdoor unit is running, it generates static electricity, which makes it prone to attracting dust. The loosely attached dust can be shaken off by tapping. However, the dust on the heat sink and the fan is difficult to clean. Workers commonly use a pressure-boosted water gun to wash it. Some air conditioners will malfunction if they haven't been cleaned for a long time and need to be disassembled for repair. It's even more troublesome for air conditioners in high-rise buildings. For those far from the balcony, workers have to tie ropes to carry out high-altitude operations. After disassembly and repair, they still need to reinstall them at high altitude.